guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super awesome galaxy slime. So this galaxy slime is super soft, stretchy, like all that good slime magic tricks, and I just love this slime, and you are also going to love this slime after you watch this video. So if you want to see how to create this super awesome slime, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. The ingredients you are going to be needing will be clear PVA glue, purple food coloring. So if you don't have food coloring, you can also use paint, some glitter to make our slime shine like the galaxy, a mixing bowl, mixing utensil, a quarter cup measuring cup, and lastly some ice. On to the instructions. Add a quarter cup of glue into your mixing bowl. And now I'm going to add in some purple food color. And mix that all together. So look how cool this looks. Then I'm gonna add in some glitter. So you can add more glitter, but I'm just using this dark blue glitter as it looks like a galaxy. So it's super pretty, and I'm just gonna be adding this glitter. After mixing the glue and the glitter, it turned out so cool. And now it's time to activate. So I'm gonna add my activator little by little so that I don't end up over activating it. And yeah, I'm just gonna add in my activator little by little so it will start clumping up together. And when it starts clumping up together, you can start to go with your hands to tell how the slime is. And there is the completed slime. The slime is super amazing. Like, can you see all that glitter? It is super amazing. I love this slime, and it also just looks like a galaxy. Super fun to play with.